walking this cup.
Wow.
We're gonna get some coffee and continue walking this cup. Hello, we're back from our walk. I have coffee, it's almost gone now. And I am working, and I have a chart to do for a design, but I can't really show it to you because it's for a commission. But yeah, I have to get this chart done so I can start knitting on the sample because that is due January 20th. I finished my little dice bag here. It's cute. I've got to weave in the ends and make a tie string for it to go in the little holes so you can close up the bag. So that was fun. I haven't decided if I want to use the same yarn for the string or if I want to use a contrast yarn. We're going to do 2 Aldi wine and cheeses because we're a little behind on them. So day 8 is this Chenin
Yeah, Chenin
Blanc from
Does it go
South
with this
Africa. And it goes with an tomato and olive cheese. It's pretty good.
That's interesting. I like the tomato and olive cheese. Well, it's all yours.
You don't like olives.
I don't like either of these things.
Oh. And then day 9 is a red blend from Australia, which is good. And then the red Leicester cheese,
I like that.
because we have discovered that there are only 8 cheeses in the Aldi Wine and Cheese Advent Calendar, and they loop back around again.
I wonder if the pairings are different, because there's not 24 wines, right?
I think there are 24 wines.
Oh, really? Jeez.
The wines have not looped back around. We haven't. This is day 9, and it's the same cheese as day 1, but the wine is different.
That's good.
Ash wants some.
Uh-huh.
Good.
That's a winning combo.
Yeah.